Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
stretch of Museum Hill Interchange. It is a stretch in Nairobi Expressway that my brother here really have more information about. He's going to take us through Museum Hill Interchange. We are doing a video together with Shifting News. He also has a channel on YouTube called Shifting News. So remember to subscribe to Shifting News as you subscribe to Dolphin 254. So stay tuned. Let's show you how Museum Hill Interchange looks like.
Yes, the link will be
at the description box.
And you see, this museum is a very amazing part in Kenya, especially in Nairobi.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, for those people who liked clubbing in those days,
Oh, really?
this was an amazing place. And maybe if I give you some history about this place, we had a person called Ainsworth. Initially it was called Ainsworth Hill.
Oh.
Unajua hizo kitambo hapa hivi kulikuwa kuna nemewa wazungu. Mzungu akikuja anapewa
jina.
So Ainsworth reported in Nairobi in 1899 during the construction of the railway.
Okay.
Najua umekava reli hadi mwisho wa reli.
Hadi Butere.
Nimekuwa hadi Butere. So in 1899 ali relocate from Mombasa because he reported in Kenya, Mombasa in 1892. Akakuja hapa Nairobi in 1899.
Okay.
So you know the railway's headquarters.
Yeah.
So he used to live along, we call it Moi Avenue. Initially nimesahau jina lakini kikumbuka nitakwambia.
Sawa.
So akafika mahali relocate, came to Ainsworth Hill, akanema hapo na akajenga nyumba, bonge la nyumba.
Fahari.
So this guy while sitting in the house, he could view the CBD. Sasa anaona enemies. Yes. Yeah, so and with the time he built what we call Ainsworth Hotel. Na hiyo ndo, if you go, it is situated in the National Museum. I think it's called now National Museum. It is in there, and within that hotel now we had the Club Boomerang. Sasa watu wa 1980s wenye walikuwa naishi Nairobi, they can tell you the history of that club.
Okay.
Yes, it used to have a lot of DJs, and one common name that comes into my head is about DJ Pagope. That
guys,
is funny.
History imekuja kwa Dolphin 254 channel. I didn't know about all this about Museum Hill. Mi wanaona tu Museum Hill Interchange, Museum Hill roundabout.
It's so interesting. And you know Nairobi River passes somewhere there. And from Masa it was called Nairobi. So Nairobi means...
It's a Maasai word?
Yes, it's a Maasai word. It means, I don't know if it's a place of cool waters.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, a place of cool waters.
If you know the meaning of that word,
Nairobi.
Leave a comment down below. Mi sijui. I don't know.
Unasema wewe ulianza CBC?
Wacha
Walikuwa watu waje.
unachoma.
Initially, hiyo bridge ilikuwa inapita along Nairobi River. It was called Ainsworth Bridge. Sasa hiyo ndo mahali sasa kuna hiyo Thika Road, the forest road where ilikuja ikajoin. And now we have like a 3-decker road. So expressway sasa imekuja kupitia juu ya Thika Road. So guys, that is it for this Museum Hill. Continue liking this video, watch, subscribe and share. Make it viral.
Yeah, guys.
And she says she wants to reach 20,000, but I think we can do 50K up before the expressway is long.
Road to 20K subscribers.
No, you should change. It's road to 50K. So
currently I need 20 before the official launch of Nairobi Expressway.
sasa ukipata 50 utanipea hiyo that.
I really appreciate that share.
Sawa. So let's continue. guys, thank you for the support you are continuing to show us. As you have been seeing, we are covering this expressway, and we are with one of the amazing YouTubers, very famous, Dolphin 254. Visit her channel, subscribe, like, comment, and let's grow together. Welcome back to Shifting News, a wonderful channel on the ground to bring you amazing views and great shows that are touching on different places, cities, countries, and personalities that are shaping the way we live. Be sure to watch this video until the end, like it, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you are visiting us for the first time.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
So guys, this is the Nairobi River, and initially this was called Ainsworth Bridge. So you can see the history now, and you can see this place has changed. So initially this river was very clean, but due to pollution, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the waters right now are not good for human consumption. So thank you for continue watching, and we are going to give you more views. Continue watching, like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all updates once you upload a new video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.